until he gets that cap on. Now he's got
Now
to
run.
hold the bottom.
Yeah, this is a watched bottle never pops.
Obviously.
Oh. Whoa.
It's expanding.
Something's happening.
Wait for it. It's science.
I was
This is
thinking.
madness!
This is science.
That's science.
You got that one?
Yes, I definitely got that one.
I love science.
Dude, check that out!
There's still nitrogen left.
Oh my gosh. Hey, you got another one of those bottles?
What happened?
We can go to the temporary.
The bottom of the bottle is still there.
That was the most symmetrically made bottle I've ever seen.
That's a little reminder
Hey, we
of
still
it.
got more nitrogen.
Somebody
You wanna
should
do it
take
again?
that with them.
I mean, we could try it through